This is news at Prime. Let's bring you this now. A committee examining alleged abuse by some Christian leaders in South Africa will soon make its findings public. The Commission for the Promotion and Protection of Rights of Cultural, Religious and Linguistic Communities has revealed that Reverend Musa Xulu will chair the body. Newzroom Afrika's Nqobile Madlala sets the tone for the discussion we're about to have.
The CRL Rights Commission has appointed Musa Xulu as a committee chairperson, who will chair the Section 22 peer review committee. The committee will look at leaders in the religious community.
They are saying we need regulations to regulate the religious leaders. They will be saying that. If they say no one should be practicing here without registering somewhere, they will say that. We've been very strong in terms of the issue of vetting. When everyone works with children, the Children's Act says, you have to verify whether they are on the register of sexual offenders.
According to the Commission, cases of abuse haven't disappeared.
An increase in relatives of victims who are complaining that the victims themselves do not see themselves as victims, but that things that are happening to them in the religious sector, in a particular church, are inappropriate, not right.
The CRL Rights Commission says the religious fraternity needs a legal framework to deal with the corrupt leaders.
You need to register the individual who will be responsible for the church. That's where we don't even have a clue of who's running these churches. Where do they come from? What kind of training do they have?
It's expected that the committee will come up with a white paper to deal with leaders in the religious sector.
Once we finish the foundational research and then we start with the committee in full, and then we move in the direction of moving around the country, not as church inspectors, but some kind of consultation to get also feedback from those who are in the field. It should be possible, as the chairperson has said, to then come up with a document that will announce to the country that these are the recommendations, and each one of the recommendations, for example, as the chairperson said, starts going to Parliament.
The peer review committee is expected to start its work in a month. The research and the investigation will take 40 days, and the review will be delivered in a year. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Nqobile Madlala in Johannesburg.